Accepted with errors doesn't mean that the whole thing has errors in it. It just means that there is an error in your transmission, right? In one of the submissions or in one of the records. In this case, the IRS has actually accepted what you sent. So it's not rejected the files, but it's saying, we think there are some errors here. So if you get an accepted with errors, you need to go back into the file and figure out where the errors are and what the codes for the errors are and what needs to be fixed. A lot of times it could just be a recipient name and TIN mismatch, or incorrect recipient information, duplicate recipient TIN issues, incomplete payer contact information, all the sort of things that aren't correct that would need correction. And just to give you an example, because I think it's better to just make it more concrete, give you some real examples we've had. So let's say you file 180 1099 NECs and you get an accepted with errors message, and you open it up and it turns out that 13 of the records had errors, the other 167 did not. So for the ones that did not have errors, do nothing. Do not resubmit the whole file, because you don't want to create a duplicate, right? Those are already fine. They're in, nothing to do with those. Look at the 13 records that came back, figure out what the error codes are. Was there a TIN mismatch? Is there information missing? And then we're going to get into the corrections process a little bit later, but you correct only those 13 files and resubmit those under the correction process. You don't touch the other 167. So don't make extra work for yourself, and please don't create duplicate files, because that would be the worst case scenario.